And welcome back. With me right now is Scott Marvel. Scott is with our video club, and coming up this Friday, he's going to start on his wonderful class that shows you how you can make a movie using your smartphone. Nice to see you, Scott.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going great. You got your smartphone here?
Yeah, I brought the tools.
Yes, you did. Now, you know, the first thing I want to ask, you've been doing this for quite a while.
Yes, I have.
And how easy is it for the average person, do you think? And what kind of apps do you use? Now, you have obviously an iPhone, but Android has plenty of apps as well.
Okay, so you asked me like 3 or 4 questions in a row.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I've been filming professionally since 1984. And so the whole smartphone revolution is still evolving. This iPhone, somebody strapped this particular model, the iPhone 8, onto a $50,000 red camera, state of the art. He duct taped it to the top of the camera, made a movie. So you got 2 videos shot at the same time, put it on the internet. You can't tell the difference in the picture quality between the $50,000 camera and the iPhone.
Wow.
And Steven Soderbergh has a movie that just probably left the theaters unsaved. He shot it with an iPhone 7 Plus.
Yeah.
And says he's just sticking with the iPhone for his cameras from here on out. We'll see.
Yeah, yeah, but I did, I haven't seen the movie, but I saw the trailer for that. And I didn't even realize that they were using an iPhone at the time. It was just going through different kind of, we look at different movies that maybe we can show here. And, you know, he's a very famous director, of course, and it's just remarkable. So what do you use on your iPhone? Are you using iMovie or a different app?
Okay, so, like I went to Disneyland last summer, and I got there at 7:30 in the morning, and my goal was to narrate every shot. So if I pushed play, I was talking about what I was going to shoot. So I had to think about what I was going to say.
Okay.
I was ready. I hit play. And I wanted to see how easy it was to make a documentary with my phone, like if somebody was on vacation, right?
Okay.
And I would shoot, and then use iMovie, and I just tap the individual videos that I had shot and hit create movie. And by the end of the day, I had 3 one-hour movies. So I had a 3-hour documentary edited with titles by the time the fireworks were going off.
That's incredible.
It is. So most people, they get these things and they have no idea it's a supercomputer, right? It's just a phone and it's got apps. And so my goal with this class is to really show people how powerful these tools are and how easy it is. But it's mostly thinking in your mind, like if you've been editing on the computer, you know, it would take days or weeks or months. And I'm talking about minutes now.
Yes, yeah.
You're at a birthday party, you get a few interviews, you get people blowing the cake out, the candles out on the cake, dink, dink, dink. 10 minutes later, you're all watching the video. And it's got titles, you've got music on it, narration, everybody's having a great time. And it took you maybe 15 minutes to do this thing. That's what I'm trying to get people to.
And of course, if you hold yours up, these are just some of the accessories you can get. You know, he has the microphone, and he's got sort of a handheld tripod type thing there. Yes. And you can get, of course, different lenses that even go over.
Yeah, they just snap right on. But I haven't really found the need for the lenses. I haven't noticed it, but yeah, you can spend a couple $100 and get some pretty nice lenses.
Yeah, and I do want to tell people, by the way, especially if you're going to places like Disneyland, do not bring a selfie stick. They won't let you.
Right, no selfie sticks.
No selfie sticks, but this is okay. Right. And you know, there's all kinds of different things you can do. But to get started, you don't need to buy any of these. You can just kind of get started on your own, have your phone, take a few videos,
so this is a Shoulder Pod Pro. It's about $50.
Yeah.
And the reason I like it is because it's got a handle, so I don't have to worry about dropping the phone. But if I don't have that,
that's a great idea. Yeah.
It's really, it's hard to hold this shot steady with just your hands like this. You get a little shake, and this just takes all the worries out of it. Because I just put this down and got 2 hands, and every shot looks good. So it's totally worth $50.
Yeah, and it's, again, as Scott said, you know, the classes, it's 4 weeks.
Yeah, 4 Fridays in a row starting this Friday.
And it's much easier than you think. You know, kids do it. My daughter does it all the time, and she'll create all kinds of little videos and things. And the fact that the tool that you have right here is remarkable. And I do want to ask that although you're using an iPhone, somebody has an Android phone, there's apps that, obviously there's apps for
Right.
that.
Yeah, I'm a little bit prejudiced towards the Apple products, but
Yeah.
Android finally is sort of caught up a little bit, but it's still not as good as far as
Yeah.
I'm concerned, as far as the apps and ease of use. But yeah, we can make it work.
Okay, very good. Now, to register, can they just come by
Yeah,
that
just
day?
show up. Video Club is right below Clubhouse 2, above the pool.
Okay, and we have it on the screen here. It's $20 for members, $35 for non-members, but if you spend $35, you become a member.
Right.
So that's nice. So that'll start, it's a 4-week class beginning this Friday. So it's every Friday, am I right?
Yeah, 4 Fridays in a row.
Okay, and you know, you've done this before, and people really enjoy it. And it's a great way to, you know, take quick videos and get yourself started and get yourself acclimated to what's possible.
Yeah, the very first day we're going to make a movie. So I'm going to show people. It's going to be really hands-on, and everybody is going to be able to make a movie in 4 weeks. And the goal is show your family and friends and be impressed that look what Grandma did, or Grandpa did, right?
Yeah, very good. And then as you folks have taught there as well, you can upload it to YouTube and you're all set.
Yeah.
You become your own producer very easily.
I mean, the Video Club is an amazing resource for the village.
Yeah, it is.
And they've got a lot of things. If you've never been there, I highly recommend everybody come down 1 to 4, Tuesday through Friday.
Okay.
We've got people there that'll kind of show you all the ins and outs, and great resource for the village.
All right. Thank you for coming on. I appreciate it. And it's just amazing when you think about the ease, the tools that you can use, and the fact that what people can do nowadays is just absolutely incredible.
And have fun.
And have fun. That's the key.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Scott,
Sure.
very much. Again, that's Friday. And what time is it again? Is it
9:30?
No, okay. 9:30. Yes, there it
9:30.
is, right there. It's below there. So 9:30 to noon, starting this Friday at the Video Lab over by Clubhouse 2. And just show up and bring your phone and be ready to go, and you'll learn a lot. And as Scott said, most important, you have a lot of fun.
Yep.
All right, good to see you.
Sure.
Take care,
Thank
Scott.
you.
We'll be right back. Yeah, Mike.